je vais, oh. Mais tu me dis de ne pas m'inquiéter, non. Seigneur, tu as des plans parfaits pour moi. Je garde le regard fixé sur toi. Tu m'as donné bien plus que ce que j'ose espérer. J'ai confiance en toi, je peux avancer. Même si je ne te connaissais pas, tu m'as écouté. Même si je ne te voyais pas, tu m'as aimé. Tu m'as tendu la main et tu m'as libéré. Et même si je tombais, tu veux me reloger. Si j'étais là dès le départ, mon Dieu.
It's always fun. That's one thing I don't like doing, especially when it is. So you can use this one, or usually I don't use it because this is even good for you. I don't think I'm gonna use it. This is good for you, by the way. That's why I don't use it. But Haitian, you use that thing. They throw the thing away. It's up to you. I cook for health. I don't cook for. My food is my medicine.
It's a black woman. So this shows you that the entire system, that they put white advisors because he removed a black advisor. I've forgotten his name. He just removed a white advisor when a black advisor when.
We're making boil, or you can call it dumpling. In Haitian Creole, we say dombrai or boy. Voila, my black beans is boiling. You know how to. Voila, we're gonna let it cook. I'm gonna put some coconut oil. I could do some coconut. This is steam. Some coconut milk too, but I don't have. A spoon of coconut oil, that's it. You will give it the taste of a little bit of the coconut milk since I don't have coconut. So we're gonna make pitimi. In Haitian we call it pitimi, but in English is sorghum.